Rainy season. Come, let's know about the rainy season. Rainy season is one of the most awaited seasons of the year, which starts in India from the month of June and continues up to August. The rainy season comes after a long period of hot summers. It brings relief from the heat and makes the environment cooler and pleasant. The nature looks fresh and green during the rainy season. During this time, the sky looks cloudy with heavy black clouds. Everywhere there are sounds of lightning with huge, tremendous thunder. Lakes, rivers, ponds, and streams receive plenty of water during monsoon. We often see rainbow during the rainy season. Rains also bring happiness to the farmers as they receive plenty of water needed for good cultivation of crops. Now let's see how do we protect ourselves from the rainwater. We use an umbrella and a raincoat to keep ourselves dry. Children enjoy playing in the puddles during the rainy season. Beautiful flowers like hibiscus, lotus, jasmine and marigold, etc. bloom during the monsoon season. We can also find many kinds of fruits and vegetables during the rainy season, such as cucumber, okra, brinjal, tomato, peaches, plum, lychee, and cherries. During this time, we can see peacocks spread their feathers and frogs croak as they celebrate the rains. Snake, snail, and earthworms are few more creatures that we can find during the monsoon season. During this time, many people plan vacations and adventurous trips to tourist places. Rainy season is the favorite season of people of all age groups, including kids, adults, and elderly people. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.